Today, we're going to tackle a common question: how to remove or hide the message button on your Facebook profile. If you're looking for more privacy on Facebook, this tutorial is for you, so let's get started. First, let's talk about what the message button does. This button allows people to send you messages directly from your profile. While it can be convenient, you might want to hide it for privacy reasons or to reduce unwanted messages. The first step to hide the message button is to adjust your privacy settings. Here's how. Simply go to your web browser and search for facebook.com. Now tap on the three horizontal bars and go to Settings. Here tap on Privacy Checkup. Now change the setting limit from who can send you friend request. Click on Continue. Here simply choose to friends of friends to limit friend request. Now also in settings, you can tap on messaging or who can message you. And there you can limit it to friends or friends of friends. This won't remove the button but will reduce unwanted messages. Now, if you're receiving unwanted messages from specific users, you can block them. Go to their profile and simply click on block. So while you can't completely remove the message button from your Facebook profile, you can adjust your privacy settings to control who can send you messages. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.